U.S. considering Indian request of armed drones for Air Force. As part of the initiative for modernization of Indian Air Force, Trump administration is considering an application to buy an armed drone to America, said one of his executives. Armed drone claims that its resistance will further strengthen the Indian Air Force. At the beginning of this year, Indian Air Force wants General Atlantic Predator (C) Avenger aircraft to the U.S. government. They need roughly 80 to 100 units, which means the value is approximately $800 million. On June 26, at the White House meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and U.S. President Donald Trump, the U.S. decided to sell 22 unmanned Guardian drones to America, which would increase the capability of Indian Navy's surveillance in strategically important Indian Ocean areas. After a few months of the meeting, the officer in charge of the Trump administration said that the Army has been considering the sale of military equipment, but the defense cooperation is also thought about how our cooperation and relationships can be stronger. The modernization of millions of dollars worth of Indian armed forces has been pending for a long time. India wants to buy high-tech defense equipment and technology from the United States in the coming decades. The main defense coordinator acknowledged the previous Obama administration. The Trump administration also looks forward to all the requests of India. The officer said that the U.S. and Indian Navy have been cooperating with each other for many years to ensure free movement of the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf against the pirate forces in the sea. I think defense cooperation will increase on the basis of demand. Last week, U.S. Secretary of State Rex Tillerson said, keeping in mind the mutual interests of the defense of the big defense and naval cooperation, the Trump administration has proposed to provide a number of defense materials including the Guardian UAV to consider India. He did not mention the armed drone, but said, "We should give importance to the role India can play in world peace and security, to make India stronger, to make sure that it is made." Guardian UAV aircraft carrier technology proposals offered by America, including the Future Vertical Lift Program, F-18 and F-16 air fighter, have the potential to change the quality of our commercial and defense cooperation.